Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my life for iron, and today, well, it's raining. I just want to talk about my gears. I just got these 10 to 18 millimeter f4 lens, so finally I can have some wide angle vlogging shots, and it's autofocus, so that's awesome. Ooh. And the minimum focus distance is so close, you can put your face right into it, like this Sigma 16mm. Super nice, super wide, super close. Super awesome. Another toy I got is this. It's the newer battery grip for my A7RII. So it doubles the battery life on my A7RII, so I can shoot longer. I can actually, like when I go on a trip, maybe for a day, I could use 2 batteries, 3 at most. So I don't have a lot of complaint about battery life on Sony. It's just, well, at least you have to switch battery for once at least. But that's okay, that's acceptable. I don't know, this battery grip seems cheap. It's 30€, 32, 30 something. And it comes with also a charger that can charge 2 batteries at the same time, so I thought that's pretty nice deal. You get a battery grip, and you get the charger, and you get 2 batteries, so why not? So I got it. Even though I'm not a huge fan of a big grip, that's alright. So it is a little bit heavier and more bulky. But I guess it does feel good in the hand. Alright, I wish I could test more, but as you can see, it's rainy out there. I did already shot some 4K footage on with the A5300 and put on my channel, as you can see. So you can see the image quality of the 10 to 18mm lens. It's really good. The corner is sharp. It's good. As opposed to the Canon 10 to 22mm. You can find my videos. You can see that when you use the Canon lens, only the center is sharp. All the surrounding area, it's on the edge, it's just soft, and it's not because it's out of focus. It's just the lens. It has the issue with the lens. I don't understand what's going on, but I suspect that it is because of the crop factor on the Canon is different. It's it's a 1.6 crop factor as opposed to 1.5 on Sony, so it could be that reason. I don't know. But anyway, I'm very glad to get these new toys that I can shoot vlog without worrying about focusing, because it's always in focus, it's out of focus. Alright, that's the update.